So this is my new outfit for work. I feel like I'm an aviator girl from the 1950s. Ooh yeah. 1950 aviator girl. Not too bad, not too bad. Anyhow, let's go see what Michael's doing. Toby is being such a good boy right now too. Yes, you are. Huh.
Whoa, fuck you, zombie. Oh, shit. Down. Here we go again.
Realize how he backs up every time.
Here we go again. Run, motherfucker. Zombie killer extraordinaire. What's up, Amy?
Hi.
Hi, YouTube. Hi, Mom.
You're such a dork. I love you, though.
What?
Such a dork, but I love you, though.
Yeah. Love you too. Is that your uniform?
Yes.
Wow, you look like a dork, dude.
I feel...
You look like such a dork.
Thank you. No, I feel like a 1950s aviator girl.
You do.
That's what I feel like. But no, the shirt. Okay, so they gave me a shirt. The shirt they gave me is a men's medium. So my mom had to shrink it a little bit because the shirt's too big for me. So yeah.
Somebody cover him.
This is my
Shut up.
outfit, my new one. I just got it lately.
I got no ammo.
Toby, come here. Come here. Toby, come here. Toby. I have to be quiet. Come here. You want a treat? Let's get a treat. Come on. Come on. Get over here right now. Cozy dog, sit. No, sit. Good boy. Why are you being such a pain in my butt? Alright, hey everyone. So, what is that? Why is this yellow? Why yellow? Candle. Where's white? There we go. Hey. Oh, nope. Better? Possibly. Alright. It's like a color thing. Cameras that they do. What is this? Do you guys see this? What? Go away, hair. So I'm home from from a 4-hour shift. Michael is sleeping. I'm going to bed. I just wanted to say goodnight to you guys. And, say hi. So hi, and good night. See you tomorrow, you guys. Later. Aw, aren't we just the cutest little couple in the world?
The whole world?
Not the whole world.
Maybe not the whole world.
Been in our world.
We're not, well, yeah, in this house. Cutest couple ever in this apartment.
I don't know. Here, I'll let you guys vote. Cutest couple?
Ever in this apartment?
Or is it Toby and Izzy?
I think Toby and Izzy have a beat for cutest couple.
Yeah. Just because
Toby's
they're
got
cute.
a bit harder. He's going to be going through,
withdrawals.
oh my god. I don't know what the hell. What happens when dogs in a little puppy love? That dog is smitten.
I guess. I don't know.
Either that or sniffing. I have no idea. It doesn't matter. All I know is he's going to miss that little one when she's gone tomorrow. Mm-hmm. Yep. So.
Anywho, so we're going to say peace out.
Deuces.
For the day. I haven't done that in a while.
Yeah, man. Giving them a singular interlude and shit.
Yep. We'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for being awesome. Stay cool, and we'll see you tomorrow. Later. Click that blue box for?
Yesterday's vlog.
Click that green box for?
Tomorrow's vlog.
And, yeah.
Leave a like, comment.
Ooh, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. We'll give you a shout out.
Yeah, what she said. So, hopefully everything's well in your world. Let us know what you guys think. Got any suggestions of the things you'd like to see in this channel?
Yeah, because we'll probably do everything but jump off a bridge for you.
Yeah, well, I'm not even going to go those small little things. But anyway, I digress. Anything that will get us killed, arrested, or kicked off of YouTube, we'll definitely at least consider.
Oh, yeah.
Open for suggestions.
We have to have it YouTube mandatory.
You can always see it in the comment section.
Alright, we'll definitely talk to you guys later.